بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, me Muhammad Abbas, and here is to discuss a range in statistics. What is range? Now we define range. The difference between maximum and minimum value in a given data is known as range. Now we discuss the formula of range. Formula: R is equal to X maximum minus X minimum in the given data. For example, the data is here, which is not in order. Given data is 12, 6, 7, 3, 15, 10, 18 and 5. It is a data that is not in order. The given data in order is as 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 15 and 18 in the ascending order. The first term is here 3 and last term is 18. X minimum is equal to 3 and X maximum is equal to 18. Now we find the range of the minimum and maximum value, that is R is equal to 18 minus 3 and R is equal to 15. So it is our range for the given data that starts from 3 and ends at 18. Dear students, it is the range of given data. Next time we will meet with an other term. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.